With the impending frost tonight, we're out covering plants, and we cover these with a spun-bound polyester fabric. And this fabric is used to protect plants anywhere from 1 degree up to 5 degrees, depending on the thickness of the fabric. So of the tender plants that we select, we go in first and we put in stakes to keep the cover off the plant so we don't crush the plants. And once we have the stakes in, we use a bamboo stake. Then the covers are draped over that and then stapled to the ground so that the cold air can't get up underneath those. So for the night, the garden looks like a tent city, but all those plants will be protected even if we drop down to a few degrees below freezing.